here is a close look at the YQ105 hot plate. I would definitely recommend it. So really quick, let me tell you about this hot plate. So it takes 110 volts and 500 watts. Works really well too. As you can see, I've got it plugged in here. So let me go ahead and demonstrate. So for starters, we've got this little dial at the bottom, and when we want to change it, so it's currently off, we just go ahead and move it, and here the button turns on and it starts heating up rather quickly as well. And we can make it as hot as 5. That is our highest setting. And as you can see here, we've got this pot of water that I'm going to go ahead and stick on this hot plate so that you can get an idea for how long it takes to boil, or at least how long it takes to start boiling. I don't know if I'm going to video for quite that long. So here are a few things to note. There is no sound, so once you turn it on, it is quiet. The bottom as well, it doesn't get hot while it's heating. So if that's something you're concerned about, if you're concerned about the counter, don't be, it just gets hot on top. So don't worry about that. And let's see, how hot are we getting? Oh wow, it's already getting decently hot. I will say it's also, it is kind of slow. It's not super powerful. Like a stove is definitely going to be stronger than this, but it definitely does the trick. And we'll know once it's fully heated up, once this button goes ahead and turns off, basically. So that is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Yeah, I've decided I'm not going to wait until this water boils, though it will start boiling in a few minutes, I'm sure. But then once you're ready to turn it off, again, just go ahead and move it all the way over, off, and done. And now I'll go ahead and take this off and dump it over here. And now we've got our hot plate, which has definitely gotten pretty hot already. I can tell just by feeling. And here's a look at the bottom, which is not hot. And yeah, this hot plate definitely does the trick. It's kind of small, but it should work for just about any needs that you might have with heating something up, boiling water. And there you go.